Hi guys, so today I got my Love of Food box. So I'll show you guys what I got and I'll get into the box. Okay, so first I see a card. It says Rise Tasting Box. So I feel like all these subscription services, everything's conquer, rise. It's like, accomplish your goals. But this is what it is. Okay, so on the back it says Rise, Happy New Year. We hope you're as excited as we are for 2018. The new year is a perfect time to turn the page to a new beginning, to rise and achieve your goals. To help fuel your daily adventures, we're sending you on-the-go wholesome foods like granola bites and fruit bars, but also some healthier twists on beloved treats like a new corn snack and sugar-free caramel. And then it tells you to go on the website and to share your feedback to earn points, so then you get more snacks. So I probably will do that after I eat all these snacks. And then it shows people that have put stuff on Instagram, because you could put hashtag love the food on Instagram. People put pictures. It also says here, Snack Squad membership benefits. And then on the bottom it says redeem your points with these super snacks. This is get 10 pouches of mixed berry real fruit bites. I got that in my box last month. Buy nothing but the fruit for 1,500 points. And this is the tasting box. They have other boxes other than this box. And this says get 6 coconut white chocolate macadamia and protein cookies by Monk Pack for 2,000 points. I wasn't crazy about those cookies, so I wouldn't pick those up for myself. And that's the card. Okay, so I don't know which snack to choose first. I don't know which snack should rise, so to say, according to this card. What snack is gonna rise to the top of my like list? Alright, so the first thing I see is this. And these are Made Good chocolate chip granola minis. They're school safe from peanuts and tree nuts. They're organic with vegetables. They contain nutrients found in one serving of vegetables. They're non-GMO, they're USDA organic, they're nut-free, servings of vegetables, and then there's gluten-free, I believe, GF, it says there. So this is an allergy-friendly food. I will open it and I will try it. They smell good. This is what it looks like. Okay, so I can tell you I do like these a lot, so I probably finish this bag later today. This is pretty good. Alright, so let's stick with the sweet side of the box. So next I see these. I think this is the third time I've gotten these to join Love of Food. And these are the Dick and Jane educational snacks. I think these have different pictures though. This isn't the presidents or the countries like I had in the past. These have natural ingredients. They're a nut-free recipe. They're vanilla snacks. They're non-GMO. It says fun and fitness. I guess that's the theme of these crackers. And on the back, if you've seen my videos before, you've met Dick and Jane. So it says, meet Dick and Jane. Dick runs the baking company. Jane is a teacher. Dick is allergic to nuts. Jane is a health nut. Dick likes to run. Jane likes to walk. We are real people with real passion for education. Thank you for being a part of our story. Your friends, Dick and Jane. So, let's try these again. Alright, so my cookie says dive. It's gonna dive in my mouth. Alright, so this I do like. I've had it in the past, but I do like it, so I'm happy to get this again. Oh wait, there's 2 in here. I thought there was just 1. They sent me 2. I don't know if this was an accident or if I was supposed to get 2. Yeah, they're the same. They're both fun and fitness. Alright, so I have 2 of these. Okay, so next, I have actually eaten this earlier today, which is the funny part, but except for the one I ate earlier wasn't zesty. So the story is how I've already tried this. I joined Thrive Marketplace, and since I joined their yearly subscription, they sent me a bunch of free food products. It was like $60 worth. So this was one of them, but it was the no sugar added one, so it wasn't too good. And meanwhile, I looked in the back, I guess because of the apples and the cinnamon and the, oh no, this one's just apple and cinnamon. The one I had earlier today was apple and coconut with no sugar added. Okay, so this is 2 apples and cinnamon, that's it. Oh, these have no sugar either, but it's zesty. So this one is zesty, it's apples and cinnamon. And it has no preservatives, 100 calories, 4 grams of fiber, non-GMO, no fat, gluten-free, all natural, kosher, vegan, and raw. On the back, it says USDA recommends 2 to 4 fruit servings a day. Satisfy hunger and energize with that's it. That's the name of the brand. That's it. So ingredients are apples and cinnamon. Seriously, that's it. These are non-GMO. They actually have a website. It's www.that'sitfruit.com. This is gluten-free. So I'm going to tell you guys, the apples and coconut, the first one I tried, the look I had on my face, I was like, this is so bland. There's no sugar. So the first time I tried it, I didn't like it. I know this one's different. I actually should have brought home well, I didn't know I was getting this, but I should have had the apples and coconut one too to try with this. But I got used to the taste. So the apples and coconut one I got used to. I don't know about this apples and cinnamon one though. This one's supposed to be zesty, so maybe it'll add a little flavor. Because the apples and coconut one, I felt like it's just the flavor wasn't there. But I guess I get it because it's only apples and coconuts. So time to try apples and cinnamon today. Take a bite. Okay, so I'll tell you guys, I think I like apples and cinnamon more than apples and coconut. This one wasn't as bad as the apples and coconut one. I feel like the apples and coconut one was a little bland for me. So 2 apples and cinnamon I can do. I got a decent amount of apples today, according to this. Okay, so next I'm super excited to see this. And this is Belgian Boys. And this is one authentic Dutch mini caramel waffle. It's a stroopwafel. I've gotten one in the past. This is authentic Dutch caramel waffle dipped in real Belgian chocolate. This is like a chocolate stroopwafel. It's mini. So this is what it looks like. Even though I don't think I could put this on it won't stay on any cup to warm it up because it's so tiny. I would need like a mini mug or like a tiny teacup in order. Oh wait, you know what? There's tea in this box. So, other than, well, I don't know if I have a tiny enough teacup. So, Love the Food also sent me tea. They sent me 2 kinds. They sent me single origin Kenya Select Leaves Pure Leaf Tea. There is iced black tea with peach, and then there's black tea with vanilla. So this one would be good as like an iced tea, and then this one would be good as like a hot tea. I never heard of this brand either, but this is Rainforest Alliance certified. So, that's it. Alright, so never mind. I don't think I have a cup that's small enough to fit this on top of it, or else I would have made the tea and just put it on top of it. I probably won't make the tea in this video to try it. I will put an update though, so probably you'll see in the screen I'll write how I liked it or not, but I will eat the stroopwafel now. Let's try this. So this one's different than the original one. It's good, but it almost reminds me more of a cookie than it does a stroopwafel. So I don't know how I feel about this. I like it, but it's just, I just feel like it's more of a cookie. Alright, so next I see these 2 caramels. These are Tom and Jenny's Unwrap Happiness. Doesn't say anything else. So I'll eat one of these. Okay, so this caramel I did like. It was pretty good. Alright, so now on to the salty snacks, since I ate all the sweet snacks. So next, I see this. It says Love Corn. This says, howdy, just so you know, we're a high-fiber, gluten-free, vegan, smoky, premium roasted corn snack. Love corn. P.S. We're crunchy. We're delicious. Smoked barbecue. It says non-GMO. PPS. Open here. On the back, it says, howdy, y'all ready for some barbecue goodness smothered in smoking hickory? It's all done nice and slow. You just don't rush into something this good. Y'all better be kicking off those boots and staying a while. Love corn. Alright, so it says all you need is love, high fiber, gluten-free, and vegan. So, let's try this. Oh, they actually are little corn pieces. They're not bad, they're good. It's weird, it almost reminds me of like a Frito a little bit. But the ingredients are just non-GMO corn, paprika, onion, garlic, sea salt, and sunflower oil. So I guess that's how they cook the corn. It's got like a crunchy texture and it tastes like a Frito. So these I like. They're pretty good. Now these I think I've had before in the past. I think I've gotten these in a Lovely Food box. These are the Dill Pickle Route 11 potato chips. They're unhurried potatoes. Has no trans fat, no preservatives, wheat and gluten free. They're kettle cooked potato chips. It says Route 11 potato chips. In 1992, we fired up our little cooker and started making chips in an old feed store in Shenandoah Valley of Virginia. Our original quest was to pay tribute to the most popular snack food in the USA by just trying to make an excellent potato chip. Our recipe is simple: good potatoes, high quality oil, and usually delicious seasonings. It even amazes us that something so simple can be so good. Relative to the rest of the snack world, we are still small potatoes, and that's exactly how we like it. The small size affords a chipper attention to detail, turning what is usually mass-produced by machines into a fine art. Try the chips and see for yourself. But yeah, I think these were the chips I thought, was it last month or the month before? I seen kettle chips and I thought it was a repeat offender. I think this is actually the repeat offender. I thought they were these chips, but they were a different kind of chip. But I will eat these again. I remember I did like these, I think. Yeah, I remember having these. These are pretty good. So next we get into like the coupons that are left in the box. So I got another Purell multi-surface disinfectant. I actually haven't used up the other one that I got in Love with Food. So I got another one of these. And it comes with a Purell, I think there's a coupon in here. And there's a coupon for Jet. If you use the code Purell20, it's 20% off. And they have some type of contest going on. So that's that. Then this is a coupon for the caramels. It says get 25% off. Shop tomandjerry.com. Use coupon code LOVE25 to get 25%. These are naturally sweet caramels. No sugar, corn syrup, no gluten, no artificial flavors, colors, or MSG, no trans fat. So I have that coupon. Then they sent me a Naked Wine voucher. I feel like they send these a lot, but I never get it because they send you like a whole case of wine. So in the back, this is a $100 wine voucher, but the thing is you have to pick a wine priced at $160 or more, so you're getting like a huge case of wine. But they give you that coupon. So those were the coupons they send. I think it is nice they send coupons too, other than the food, especially for the price you pay for the box. But that's everything for my Love the Food box. And if you didn't know, Love the Food, they donate a meal for every box. So it says, thank you, you're awesome. This box helped in the fight against world hunger. So that's everything for my Love the Food box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Bye.